Hello, English 100. My name's Alex Sterling. Welcome to Los Medanos College, fall semester 2020. I hope you and your families and loved ones are doing all right in this crappy year. This is your quick tour to Canvas. Notice that you start at the dashboard. You log into Canvas. You see your courses on your dashboard. Notice the English 100 and English 100S are separate courses in Canvas because they're separate courses technically. However, the two are combined, so you can think of English 100 and English 100S as being basically one big course. We will mostly use the English 100 Canvas course, but we will also go to English 100S for some things. Let's go to English 100 now. To start, when you see an announcement, click on it. To see what I'm telling you, I'll be giving you little reminders using the announcements. Here's the short version. The way to take this course is that every week you click on the Start Here button, and that brings you to the module for that week. Every week there's one module, except for this week. This week we have two modules. One is a course introduction, and then the other is the week 1 module. But usually there's going to be one module per week, and the new module will always be at the Start Here button. So you click on Start Here, and that takes you to the first module, which is Introduction to the Course. You can see that a module is a collection of stuff. And if you scroll down, you see that the next module is right after it, week 1. So let's see what a module looks like. I'm just going to click on one of these. So inside a module, you click on something, you start at the beginning, you go through them, you read, you do what it says, and then when you're done with each page, you click on Next down here in the lower right corner. Next. Sometimes I will have videos. So here is my Meet Your Professor video where I tell you about myself. So you watch the video, you click Next. Here's another video. You watch the video, you click Next. Sometimes you will do discussions. So this is our first discussion called Meet Your Classmates. In the discussion, you're going to write things and everyone in the class can see them. So in the discussion, you talk with your classmates. So this is what you do online, or at least one of the things you do, instead of talking in a real room in class. So you'll always have deadlines, some instructions. You click reply in order to do your post, and then you'll be able to reply to other people. You can see there's various things to do. Most of these won't take too long, so don't worry. But these are basic things about the course. And there's a quick quiz. I think it's an easy quiz, so don't worry. And then the week 1 module is more about English 100 content. And you'll see that I begin the module with a little summary. And of course you click Next to go to the next thing. Here's another video. I'm going to make a lot of videos so that you don't always have to read instructions constantly. Here's another discussion. Here is a preview of the notes you'll have to take when you read our first book, which is Educated. We'll come back to that. And here's another video. Sometimes you will have an assignment. So when it says assignment, you will be submitting something that'll just go to me, the instructor. It's not like a discussion where other people see it. And then at the end of the module for a week, you'll get the homework for the week after. And that's what you see right here. Okay, that is it. Oh, one more thing I wanted to tell you is that over on the left, you have other buttons you can click on. Regularly, you'll just click on Start Here. That's the thing you do all the time. But you can also click on Announcements to see all the announcements. You can click on Modules to get to all the modules. Later on, you'll click on Grades to see that. And I have a button called Alex's Office, which basically calls me using Zoom. So you can go straight to me and give me a call by clicking on Alex's Office. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.